Our story today is If You Give a Dog a Donut. Has your dog ever asked you for a donut? If you give a dog a donut, he'll ask for some apple juice to go with it. Then you give him the juice, he'll drink it all up. Then he'll ask for more. There won't be any left, so he'll want to make his own. He'll go outside to pick apples. When he's up the tree, he'll toss you one. Throwing the apple will make him think of baseball. He'll want to play. You'll get a ball and a glove. Of course, he'll also need a bat, and he'll ask you to pitch. He'll hit a home run. Then he'll do the happy dance to celebrate. Do you have a happy dance when you hit a home run? Dancing will make him hot and dusty, and he'll need some water. He'll probably start a water fight. You'll have to dry him off with your bandana. He'll wrap it around his head and pretend he's a pirate. Then he'll want to go on a treasure hunt. He'll find an old kite and want to make one himself. You'll have to get him some sticks and some paper and some string. When the kite is finished, he'll want to fly it. It'll go higher and higher. Until it gets tangled in the apple tree. The tree will remind him of apple juice, so he'll probably ask you for some. And chances are, if he asks for some apple juice, he'll want a donut to go with it.